Hi friends, welcome to VCM GK World. Today's GK questions on computer. Here is your first question. ಕಂಪ್ಯೂಟರ್ ಎಂಬ ಪದವು ಲ್ಯಾಟಿನ್ ಭಾಷೆಯ ಯಾವ ಪದದಿಂದ ಉತ್ಪತ್ತಿಯಾಗಿದೆ? ಆಪ್ಷನ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ಕಂಪ್ಯೂಟರ್, ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಬಿ ಕಂಪ್ಯೂಟರೇ, ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಸಿ ಕಂಪ್ಯೂಟ್ರಿಯಾ, ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಡಿ ಕಂಪ್ಯೂಟ್. Your time starts now. The right answer is computere. Here is your next question. EDP ಎನ್ನು ವಿಸ್ತರಿಸಿ. Options are option A electronic data processing device, option B electrical data processing device, option C electronic data purpose device, option D electrical data purpose device. Your time starts now. The right answer is electronic data processing device. Next question. Abacus ಇದೊಂದು ಏನು? Options are option A computer device, option B storage device, option C both of these, option D none of the above. Your time starts now. Correct answer is computer device. Next question. Computer na pitamaha yaru? Options are Bill Gates, option B Charles Darwin, option C Charles Babbage, option D Pascal. Your time starts now. The right answer is Charles Babbage. Next question. Data storage concept annu kottavaru yaru? Options are option A Charles Babbage, option B Pascal, option C John van Neumann, option D John Napier. Your time starts now. The right answer is John van Neumann. Next question. Tabulating machine by punched cards na ಸಂಶೋಧಕರು ಯಾರು? Options are option A George Bull, option B JP Eckert, option C John Neumann, option D Hermann Ulrich. Your time starts now. The right answer is Hermann Ulrich. Next question. ಮೊದಲ ಪ್ರೋಗ್ರಾಮಬಲ್ ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಾನಿಕ್ ಡಿಜಿಟಲ್ ಕಂಪ್ಯೂಟರ್ ಯಾವುದು? Options are option A ENIAC, option B Mark 1, option C EDVAC, option D ENIAC. Your time starts now. The right answer is ENIAC. ಮುಂದಿನ ಪ್ರಶ್ನೆ. ವಿಶ್ವದ ಮೊದಲ ಕಂಪ್ಯೂಟರ್ ಪ್ರೋಗ್ರಾಮರ್ ಯಾರು? Options are option A Charles Babbage, option B Lady Lovelace Ada Byron, option C Joseph Jacquard, option D ಈ ಮೇಲಿನ ಯಾರು ಅಲ್ಲ. Your time starts now. ಸರಿಯಾದ ಉತ್ತರ ಲೇಡಿ ಲವ್ಲೇಸ್ ಅದಾ ಬೈರನ್. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್. ಪಂಚ್ಡ್ ಕಾರ್ಡ್ಸ್ನ ಪಿತಾಮಹ ಯಾರು? Options are option A Blaise Pascal, option B Henry Briggs, option C Hermann Ulrich, option D William Utter Reid. Your time starts now. The right option is Hermann Ulrich. Next question. IPO Input Process Output ಕಾನ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್ ಅನ್ನು ಕೊಟ್ಟವರು ಯಾರು? Options are option A George Bull, option B John Neumann, option C Alan Turing, option D Charles Babbage. Your time starts now. Right option is Charles Babbage. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please click on the like button, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you.